Pairing your remote to Revolve or SilenTrac drapery system with a Current Products Corporation bridge or Zigbee. First, push the Devices tab in the app and then press the plus button. The bridge LED should flash blue to show it is in pairing mode. Then, pull the tab from the remote. Next, push any button on the face of the remote. The LEDs should scroll to show it is seeking a bridge, then should flash to confirm it has paired to the bridge. Now pull down on the pendant. As soon as the drapery starts to move, pull the pendant again. Now on the remote, push the CH button until the channel you wish to use is lit. On the back of the remote, insert the pin tool or paperclip for 1 second. The LEDs will begin scrolling. Press and release the top left O button. The drapery will jog to confirm successful pairing. The O is for open, the C button is for close, and the lower two buttons are for preset positions unless you have a dual rod or dual track system. In that case, the lower two buttons operate the secondary rod or track.